The police intercepted 64 guns at the port of Kingston and almost 100 rounds of ammunition. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A joint ongoing operation involving the Jamaica Constabulary Force Counter-Terrorism and Organized Branch CTOC and the Jamaica Customs Agency has resulted in the interception of a significant amount of ammunition and guns at the port of Kingston. The ongoing operation, which began at 8 a.m. on Friday, has resulted in the seizure of 64 assaulted 9mm pistol, 965 rounds of 9mm ammunition, and 107 magazines. The contraband was discovered concealed within a shipment that originated from the United States. 2 individuals have been taken into custody as a result of the operation, making what the police describe as a significant stride in their efforts of the Jamaica law enforcement agencies to combat illegal firearm trafficking. Deputy Commissioner in charge of the Force Crime Security Portfolio, Mr. Fitzbailey, has emphasized the importance of collaboration and interdependence among law enforcement agencies. This reinforces the importance of collaboration and interdependency, and that is what we have been doing as a group of law enforcement agencies. We're getting better at collaborating, and I want to express my gratitude for the level of support we have been getting from Jamaica Customs during our investigations, especially into the firearm trafficking and also the seizures of firearms, Bailey stated in a release.
During our joint operation between Jamaica Customs and the Jamaica Constabulary Force, in particular the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, the Firearm Trafficking Unit, a total of 64 assaulted 9mm pistols were intercepted, and along with 965 9mm rounds and 107 magazines. The interception took place at the port of Kingston. This operation started earlier on this morning, somewhere about 8 o'clock, and it is still ongoing. This reinforces the importance of collaboration and interdependency, and that's what we have been doing as a group of law enforcement agencies. We are getting better at our collaboration, and I want to express our gratitude to the level of support that we are getting from the Jamaica Customs during our investigations into especially firearm trafficking. There are 2 persons that have been taken into custody so far, and I want to say that the firearms actually came from the United States of America, and oftentimes we hear about the problem of violence, especially gun violence and murder in Jamaica, and I want to make an appeal to the Jamaican citizens who actually are creating the significant problem that we have in Jamaica. They are the ones who are sending the firearm, and I am appealing to the diaspora to sort of engage the citizen and encourage them to desist from this type of destructive activity that is actually preventing them from coming to Jamaica to enjoy the paradise that we have.
The police said that the successful joint operation underscores the commitment of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the Jamaica Customs Agency to maintain the safety and security of the nation. Further investigation into the origin and destination of the illicit firearms are underway as the authorities continue their efforts to combat transnational crime. In the meantime, Mr. Fitzbailey appealed to Jamaicans in the diaspora to desist from contributing to violence in their homeland through the trafficking of weapons. In highlighting the negative impact of the flow of illegal guns from the United States into Jamaica, Bailey said that we hear about the problems of gun violence in Jamaica, and I want to make this appeal to the Jamaican citizens who actually are creating the significant problem we have. I am appealing to the diaspora to engage the citizens and encourage them to desist from this type of destructive activity that is preventing them from coming to Jamaica to enjoy the paradise that we have here. In the meantime, the police will continue their investigation into the case and will have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.